Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch React. Let me show you something that I'm really excited about. Very soon we are going to release an update for Marcode, and with it comes something that I have been waiting for a very long time to be added. Something called embed fluid. So it's about embedding anything actually. Just think about what you could do just straight from inside Sketch, or I can say it Lunacy, with an embed feature. Let's check it out. So first of all, we have the first thing here we have, and this is actually not using embed fluid but using image external. So image external lets you add external images or GIFs or SVG animations as long as you have them on a server somewhere. So in this case I just added a GIF that I really enjoyed. Here's the direct link to the GIF, and since this is a GIF sticker, it's nice because it's transparent, so it looks like this. Since we are inside our app, you can, for example, add a CSS animation, entrance animation, or whatever. So that is that one, and it's simple to set up. You just need a folder and you need to name it image-external, and inside it you need an attribute.source, and the source is the the link, sorry, and then you need a placeholder image, and the placeholder is important since the size of the placeholder is what becomes the size of the embed, the width of it. So that is important, but the placeholder itself can be anything. So easiest thing is just to do a screen grab of whatever you are going to embed and use this as a placeholder reference. So that's it. Let's check out the next example here. This one, this little hamburger dude here. Now hold on to your socks. This, my friends, is an embedded 3D character that I can interact with. So like that, I can spin it around, and here comes the extremely cool thing. This is done with Spline. Since this is an embed, I can actually just go on editing the 3D model, and even if I went all the way and actually built the app for iOS or Android, it will still update the source. So for example, I adjusted a couple of things like how much you can rotate it, stuff like that, for the camera, and it auto updates in here. That is like amazing. So you go here to export, you make sure you have a public URL, and then all of these things here, you need to have a new camera, and then can I orbit it? Yes. Can I pan it? Blah blah blah. You can sensitivity things here. You can say on touch, because this is essentially touch. In this case I want to build an iOS app. How will this behave? Stuff like that. And when I update here, it updates also in here and in your build, which is incredible actually. So let's check out Lottie animations, and this is done with the new embed-fluid component that is just the same setup as the image external, but the component is called embed fluid, and here I'm using a small line of CSS to remove the iframe border, so it looks like this. By default we have a border. You can remove it with extremely little CSS code. I call this CSS class zipit, and it's just border none, and it removes the border. We are going to, when we ship this, we are going to I think we are going to have it like this by default, so you don't need to add this extra little code snippet, but I do not mind. Another thing that I enjoy using are Lottie animations. Again, this is extremely simple. You have the image source, here's the embed thingy, and here everything you see here is in code. So when you see it here and it works here, it will look like this in your exports. So here we have this angry dude, and as you see, it animates finely and nice, and actually he's Canadian. And we go for next thing. Of course, you want to embed a movie or like a film clip. It's no problem. Same thing there. As you see, this can be extremely useful for reaching another level of your prototyping, straight from inside Sketch, or I can say it lunacy. So like that, and then let's check out another awesome thing. I found this online Lego brick editor where you can embed, when you can actually build 3D models, Lego 3D models. And this one also, this service also, it's free, and this service also lets you embed the 3D characters, which is awesome. So here I did this. Let me show you this. So here we have full screen, and I'm building the scene here, and as you see here, where are the dudes? We can scroll like that. Here we have our heroes, and it's great Scott. We have them here, over there. Shoo-hoo! Little ones, Lego, 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 like that. It's a bit wonky sometimes. It doesn't matter. I think my mouse is stuck here. Let me do that, like that. Yes. Anyway, how you achieve this is that you actually make sure your placeholder is the full screen width of your actual screen size that you're building for. So in this case, I am using iPhone 11, but I put it inside a prototype fluid, which makes it stretch like that. Since it also is an embed fluid, so a lot of powerful things going on here in the background, and I can of course link this back and forth like that, add things, and finally then later export it to iOS and Android. That's it. We are going to, when I'm finished with this demo file, we are going to embed this in-app, which means when you go here, you will find it down here. Learn Marcode, we will have this Marcode embed demo available for you to play around with. You could also, for example, embed maps, whole websites actually, if you want. I'm going to experiment with this a lot. So have a great one. Cheers!